guys, you don't know what happened to me. My light finished. Let's see if I can get some. So happy, guys. Today I was so far. Today would have been the first day my kids and I will sleep in the dark. If they didn't open, they opened, so I got the lights. So what is remaining now is gas. Everything just finished, gas, lights, everything. So I'm going to go and see if I can get gas. I think Accra is trying. They're improving. Before now, on Sundays, everywhere is shut down. Nothing. You can't get even food to buy. So I'm happy. I'm happy they no longer go to church. They're like me now. Already now, right? Okay. I like this way. I should taste like Nigeria or no? Eh? Eh? I say it should taste like Nigerian suya.
Yeah.
So this is what we do in Nigeria. When you want to buy suya, they'll give you to taste. 10 cedi, please. Sister, I'll buy kelewele. Okay, please give me 4 cedis. This is how I'm rolling on my Sunday. Yes, please, 4 cedis. We do put granules. You put granules. Okay, let me go and try it. Put some. I mean, let me see. Let me show my friends. Oh, why you cut it out? Okay. So you guys said I should use granola to eat it. Today I've added it. Okay. This is the real typical Nigerian suya. That one there, let me pay 5. All right, thank you. Sunday. Eh? Which one? Okay, I should bring. How much is it? Don't worry. Next time. You can bring it. Light green. This. So like this is how much? 5 cents. Okay. All right. Thank you. My please.
Jeanette Services presents the 2022 edition of
So right now, Daddy, please let me lower your music. Been lucky to get electricity. I'm hoping I'll get gas. If I do see gas to buy today, I'll have a lot of respect, more respect for Accra. Because before now, if you don't get your things Saturdays, or just basically before Sunday, you're on your own. Because everybody closes their businesses on that day. So today I'm going to see. So yeah, that's where I'm heading to. Okay, stay watching. Don't go nowhere. Okay. Finally one. So now I think people are, I don't know if it's due to the economy, people are more aware. Okay, they work Sundays because you need to double your hustles. I'm not the only one that don't go to church anymore. So and another thing again, you guys, do you know that gas is still the same price at what I used to buy, like what I bought last month? But everything in the market has stopped up except for gas. This is really a pleasant surprise for me, because the last time I got gas was on the 8th of August. So I had thought that by the time I come back, it's going to, maybe slightly gone higher than I bought it the last time. But I'm so surprised right now that it's still the same price. But then yam that is produced in the farm, they have stopped up. Indomie noodles have increased. A lot of things. Palm oil that is made in the village is now, it has stopped up. Gari that we eat that is made in the farm has increased. So I think something is wrong somewhere. How people are taking advantage of the the whole situation on Ghana, I'm thinking, I'm not talking about Ghana alone, okay? So don't even think I'm talking about here. I'm talking about everywhere in the world, especially in Africa. Because once they hear that dollar has increased, people that do not have any business with dollar will begin to increase their goods and services. So, but yeah, I'm still impressed. I'm really impressed that gas is still the same price I bought the last time I bought. Do you guys like to try? Let me start with Wendy. Wendy, be careful. Wendy. How is it? You don't have any reaction. You don't have emotion. I know. So that's all. What you like it?
Yes.
Now, can I get? Can I get? What do you think? It is called Kelewele. You people like it? It's granite. You people can eat it. You like it? Move your books now. This Gorimapa is not bad after all. Good morning, fam. How are you all doing? I'm going on a one-day trip around Accra here. Oh my god, what is this? So I'm going on a day trip with other girls. We're supposed to be 3. As it stands now, I'm not sure that we are going to be 3. We may just be 2. The other one is already here, and I cannot wait for you guys to meet my fellow Nigerian YouTuber in Ghana. So I want to show her around to some, destination. Look at my hair. I think I like it. I'm loving it, I'm loving the hair, but I want to wear wig just because I can. So I don't know what happened today. This closure, I think because I've always been ironing it, so the closure kind of tear. And this closure is one of those expensive ones. I cannot just buy. I know, right? You're going to tell me I look better on low cut than on this. By the time I hear from you about that, I would have imposed whatever I want to do on you, however I want to look on you. Hold on, let me switch things up a little bit more. How about this? I think I'm gonna go like this. Yeah, I prefer this for now. Maybe when we get there I can take off that, but right now this is how I'm gonna go. Let me show you guys how I look. Yeah, girl. My outfit of the day. I'll see you guys. Come, Antonia, come. Let's read that film. I film around the song here. This film will complete time. So I'm on you, Jomi. Say hello.
Hello.
So you guys, I'm gonna we are going on a trip together.
Yes.
So and I'm gonna leave a link in the description box, so you guys should check her out.
Yes, please.
So and then subscribe, okay? Beatrice was supposed to come on this trip, but something came up, so she could not make it. So the two of us are going, and I hope that you guys will come. All right, see you guys later. They don't know what she's benefiting.
There's a lot of money.
Social media is